Hey YouTube, this is Dave, and today's video is going to be about watch faces and how you can make your own custom watch faces. And I'm talking with images and dials and analog and digital and all that stuff, and date and totally customizable and shareable and everything like that. So let's get started. And now on my screen here, you see that I have the uh, iPhone up here, and you can go onto the site with your iPhone, but it's kind of small to use, so I recommend either using an iPad or using your web browser like Chrome or Safari on your computer, your Mac or your Windows. It works on both. So let's get started. I want to show you what I have done. Um, in this tab here, I have a bunch of pictures of, say, Dick Tracy. Okay, so say I like this picture here, and I want to use this um, for my watch face. So I'm going to save image as, and I'm going to put it right here in my desktop. Okay, I'm going to throw it right on my desktop, just like that, and save it. Now it's sitting there. It's going to be waiting on my desktop for me. Now if I go to watch faces, okay, I can go and it says first things first. You can go up here and you can open up this template here and skip any step that you want to skip. But this is mainly the first screen. This was created by Paul Rhode in 2013. That's what it says here, copyright. So what we're going to do is we're going to choose whether it's black or white. Okay, I will choose black, and I will choose a file on my computer. And what I'm going to do is I'm going to pick that Dick Tracy picture that I just downloaded. Okay, so there it is. And what you can do is they have these cool little animations here of this belt or watch band, and we can shrink it down. Now what it does is it takes the color completely out of it, and it allows you to adjust it to where you want to adjust it. So this is the width. You can adjust the height. So let's adjust the height a little bit. And now let's offset it, and we can move it over to here. Now this is all automatic. It's a web app. It's not an app that you download or anything like that. You just go straight onto the web page, and you can do these things. And I thought this was pretty cool because you can make a nice, even use your logo for your YouTube channel or something like that. And you could darken it up or you can lighten it up. I'll just keep it there. This is just for demo purposes. You can also invert the picture, but I'm going to keep it like that. And now we just click next, and it'll take you over and tell you what do you want to do. This is the analog tab, and now we can turn analog on and off. And let's say we wanted to use this one here. It looks a little bit like the Chrysler building, and it's around the time Dick Tracy was around. But maybe you don't want an analog, so we'll just come off that, and now let's just go to next, and I want to do something digital. So I'm going to turn digital on, and I'm going to show seconds as well. And what I'm going to do is I'm going to shrink it down. Actually, it's in white, so we're going to have to change it to black so it's set there. And I can make the size bigger or smaller. I can move it left to right. This is just, it's going to be a sloppy one, but you can put more time into it in order to get everything to the way you want it. So you can also change the font of you can make it more thin, quartz, and change it all different types of, I like bold. So we'll just keep it bold like that. And now let's go on to the next, and the next one is the date. So if you wanted to turn date on, you can do that. And I'm going to change it to, let's see, I'm going to change it to a different sort of look, and I'm going to change it to black, and I'm going to move the date down a little bit. I'm going to move it, actually, yeah, move it over, and I'm going to move it down to here, and let's make it a little bit smaller. So we'll make it smaller. Well, it's not a good picture for this situation, but you get what I'm talking about. It has the date, the time, and uh, and all that stuff. So now let's go on to the next tab, and then you can even put like a custom text in there, text, and you can put like the name of your website. So smart, something like that, and you can just type it in right here. Like just say smart. What's the name of it there? And I hit select, and it's there, but it's in white. So we're going to change it to black. And then, like I said, you can move that around as well using this. And whatever, So now you have a nice little custom watch face there. I mean, this is something unbelievable because, you go onto these sites. We'll just call this Dick Trace. All right, so Dick Trace. Now you're wondering, how am I going to get this onto my watch? So you can protect this with a password too, so you're the only one with it. But if not, you just create the watch face and watch what happens. It's going to generate the watch, and once it's done, you'll be able to scan in this QR code, or you could just hit download. And what's going to happen is it's going to show you a preview of it, and you're going to hit download, and it's going to download right to your computer, and the extension is .pbw, so I guess it's Pebble Watch, and that's the extension there. Now, simply, all you have to do is basically take this, if you're using your browser on the computer, and you just show in Finder or check in your Windows Explorer, and there goes your watch face there. And now all we're going to do is we're going to take this and we're going to email it to ourselves. All right, so I emailed the Dick Tracy watch face to myself, and there it is right there. So now, being that I'm hooked up to the Pebble, I want you to take a look. I got a notification, obviously, saying that I got an email from myself. So I'm going to go back, and we'll see here, I only have 3 watch faces, okay? I only have 3. Okay, I got my email from myself, sending the Dick Tracy p.pbw, and what I'm going to do is I'm going to open it up here. And what it's going to do is we're going to open it up. You click the little arrow on top, and you're going to open it in Pebble. Now take a look at the Pebble, and it's going to say install and always ask. So we'll just do that, always ask, and you're going to see that now it's downloading right to my app, and then it's going to shoot it over to the Pebble. We have Dick Tracy there. Now watch this. We're going to click this, we're going to go to watch faces, and we're going to select Dick Tracy, and here it is, just like we saw it on the computer. And there we have it, folks, right there, Dick Tracy, working with the time, the seconds clicking away. And I think it's a great way to get beautiful watch faces on your e-paper display. So there it is. And now I'm going to leave the link in the description for you, and you can check it out yourself. So I hope you enjoyed this video, and I will see you on my next video. Thank you for watching, and bye-bye.